So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now this is just going to be a midweek update just to kind of show you guys where I'm at in the week, how I'm doing trading this week. It has been a better week than last week, but it's nothing crazy. And I want to show you guys a live trade I took on oil yesterday in the pre-market. And then like I always do, I want to go over my trading journal and just kind of show you guys some of the trades I've taken. And also give an update of where I'm at with the Apex 25K valuation. But first, let's go ahead and run the live recording and then we'll look at that after. So enjoy the live trading. Alright, so I just got into this oil trade. It's currently pre-market. It's basically doing a break and retest of this key level. Plus there's a 1 minute fair value gap here, and we have broken down a pretty key trend line. Let me bring over my thinkorswim charts to show you my analysis. If I show you the 1 hour, you can see we broke this uptrend in this 77.6 level. So I want to see if we can get a 2-to-1 out of this. So we'll see. I'm going to try and let this play out, see what we can get out of this. Alright, I'm still currently in this oil trade, just letting it play out patiently. It's looking pretty good so far. The market does open in 10 minutes here, so we'll see. I don't necessarily want to hold the open, but I'm sure it would be okay at some point. Now that we're at a 1-to-1, well actually we're at over a 1-to-1, maybe I should bring my stop to break even. Yeah, let's go ahead and move our stop to break even. Okay, oil's really starting to sell off now. We might get filled here. I just need like 4 more points. I'm gonna trail my stop a little bit.
Order filled.
There we go.
Canceled.
Just like that, our take profit was hit. That was a nice trade. I noticed this setup in the pre-market. Yeah, it worked out really nice. We just had to be a little patient. So yeah, that's a good way to start off the morning. Alright, so now I want to go ahead and break down this oil chart. I want to show you the level I was watching. And yeah, as you can see, oil has been super bearish lately. This was today. I didn't catch any of this. I didn't really see a setup I liked. But yeah, yesterday I took the trade right here in the pre-market. So this level was basically just a simple SR level. It was support that turned it back into resistance. 77.6 was the level. Oh yeah, and I want to show you guys the trend line that it broke. So from here to here, this was the trend line. Broke through it, came back up, retested this level, and rejected it. So yeah, I took my entry right about here. So yeah, it was a nice bear flag at a key level, and then I guess there was a fair value gap too. So yeah, it was a nice little trade that I caught. So let's go ahead and look at my journal now. So on Monday, or starting with the futures trades, on Monday I had a break-even trade on ES, then I had the oil winner on the 15th, and today's the 16th, and I took 2 scalps on ES, and I ended up losing $27. Let's take a look at this ES. I can't even remember what the exact screenshot looked like. Yeah, this was kind of annoying. This could have made the whole week here. I had the perfect entry. I went long off this level. Let me make it full screen for you. I think this was the prior day high of 44.07. It came down, swept that level. It got bought back up, and I entered on this candle right here. Now, it was super choppy, but I should have ignored that, and I should have just let this play out. But when I saw that we rejected VWAP for like the 3rd time, I closed the trade at break even. So I closed it right there, and then right after that, I just watched it go up higher. And yeah, that's completely on me. I really have no excuse, no reason to do that. I should just let my trades play out, because that would have been a really nice, probably $150 winner or something like that. But anyway, yeah, you guys already saw the oil trade. Now today, it was a little choppy this morning too, but this was basically a break and retest of 450 on the SPY. So I took the trade on ES, but it was based off of a SPY level. Now I like to trade the intervals of 5, so like, for example, 450, 455, 460. Every $5 in SPY, it typically tends to act as support and resistance. So I went long here after retested 450. And I got a move in my favor, but then when I saw that it top wicked, I closed it for a very small profit. It was basically break even. And we came back down, tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap, got back above 450, and I'm like, okay, this looks like it may want to push up from here. So I gave it another shot. I went long here, and unfortunately I was stopped out a few minutes later. So I had the right idea, but it turned out to just be, there ended up being no continuation. An issue with this trade is that this was the pre-market high, and I was kind of going long into pre-market high, which doesn't really make a lot of sense. I really should have had that level charted out, and I should have waited till we were well above that level to go long. So yeah, we're technically still up this week on futures, but yeah, it's been kind of slow. I haven't found many great setups this week on the futures, so I haven't made much progress on that Apex account. Right now it's sitting at 25,400, right around there. So yeah, I also want to talk about this option trade I took on Tesla. It was pretty annoying, but it was also my fault that I hesitated on an entry and then took a worse entry a little while later. So Tesla was pretty weak again today. Right here it did a perfect break and retest of pre-market low, and I saw this and I thought about going short, but I didn't go short because I saw that we swept the prior day low, which was this line here. I'm like, okay, that's kind of a bullish sign and might want to start trending back up now. So I did not take this, but I mean, overall Tesla was just still looking very weak, so this should not have stopped me from taking this trade, but I was trying to be extra cautious, and it cost me a good setup. So then I took the break and retest of the prior day low. You can see how this went. I got a move in my favor. I was up quite a bit on the contract down here, but I couldn't scale out because I had one, and I didn't want to put in a break-even stop because I wanted this level to be my stop. So I let it come all the way back up, and I stopped out right here for a loss. So pretty unfortunate, but it is what it is. That's just something to learn from, I guess. Take a look at this Apple. Yeah, I took a nice trade on Tuesday on Apple here. Apple did a nice break and retest of these previous highs here. So I went long pretty quick off the open. I went long here when I saw that we were holding this level. Now I had to be patient. I got to move up, and then it came all the way back down, and I held through this pullback because I had a hard stop in, and then it kind of made a little double bottom here and started to really push up. I took it off at like the perfect time when I just saw that it started to slow down up here. So that was a decent win. But other than that, the rest of the trades have just been kind of scratch. So anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at in the week. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll see what Friday brings. If I catch any good trades, I'll probably make a video about it this weekend. But yeah, I just thought I would hop on here, make a quick recap video. It's probably not very long, but just wanted to show that one live trade on oil and then just kind of go over my journal. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying these type of videos. And if you have any advice for me as a trader, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I would love to read and reply to you because I know that there's still a lot of things I need to work on as a trader. I've made quite a bit of progress this year, but I'm still nowhere near where I want to be. So I still got lots of work to do. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. So thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.